Just making a little short update to the KC Highlights daylighter lamps I fitted to the front of my 1989 Pajero. It was kit 237 at the time, triple chrome plated. Now KC does not sell these anymore, and I can probably see why. They don't fare well with road salt and that. This one's not as bad, but this one's gone fairly bad. So yeah, they don't do the polished stainless steel anymore either. I did buy a new old stock polished stainless steel lamp from 1990 that's on the way from America at the moment, and two second-hand lamps which could be stainless. We're not 100% positive, but the newer kits, the 653, 651, 234 and 238, I believe are stainless steel underneath black powder coat. That's what KC Highlights told me themselves, so I might actually buy one of those kits and eventually strip the black off and polish them. But yeah, no, these haven't held up well, so they haven't. But the gravity inserts, brilliant, so they are well worth the money. Expensive, alright, well worth the money. I want to do the headlights as well, change the headlights in the Pajero at some point as well. Probably going to do the same on the Volvo truck I have too, the 84 F6S. So yeah.